Hello there, everyone. Mr. Sanders here. I'm going to tell you a little bit about some research papers for National History Day, how to make them look nice, look the way they're supposed to, and a few other tips. I'm going to do this in a series of videos, and this first video is going to talk about how to format your research paper. So there's a few things you need to know. First things first is you need to have 1-inch margins. So to do that, you go to File, Page Setup, and change each of these to 1. Just double check that you have that. So you should have a nice 1-inch margin all the way around. Second thing you need to know is you're going to be using 12-point font. 12-point font is the most commonly accepted font size for all research papers. And you're also going to use Times New Roman font. You can just pretty much bet that whatever teacher or format you're using will accept Times New Roman 12-point font. And the last thing you really need to know, that's just basic formatting, is it needs to be double spaced. So I have 2 paragraphs here, neither of which are indented, and I have a space between them. So I'm going to show you how to make this look the way that it's supposed to. So I'm going to change this using the line spacing to double. I'm going to indent my paragraphs. That's very important. And this extra space does not need to be there because you already have it double spaced. So that's what it should look like for multiple paragraphs. The last big thing that I want to show you is how to insert page numbers because you are going to need them. Before I do that, let me point out that your paper will not just start on page 1. Instead, it's actually going to start on page 2. It's going to start on page 2 because your title page is here. So if I were you, I would just put title page just to remind yourself to insert that. We're going to show everybody at the same time how to do a title page eventually. So to get page numbers, down here in the bottom right-hand corner, there's an easy little thing you can do in Google that makes it very helpful, and you only have to worry about it once. But you do not want page 1 here, even though it is page 1, and you want your first page of writing to be page 2. So to do that, put your cursor on the first page, hit Insert, and Page Number. When you hover over it, it gives you 4 options. Choose the one in the bottom left-hand corner of those 4. That puts the number in the bottom right-hand corner, and 1, 2. Now, unfortunately, now there's a 1 there on my first title page. All I have to do to get rid of it is check this box. It goes away, and page 2, page 3, all the way down. So you should have space for a title page, page numbers starting on the second page. You should have double spaced, 12-point font, Times New Roman, with 1-inch margins all the way around. And that is a properly formatted research paper. Thanks, and I'll talk to you in the next video.